Guys, this is Christopher talking. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be talking about the reaction order and the Wade's law expressions. So we're gonna go through a couple of practice questions by orders. So for the first question, we have here with the table. Question is asking the rate law expression. So we note that the rate equals to k multiplied by A2 multiplied by B2. So that's basically what the rate law expression is. And then next step, we need to find the exponents to each according letters. So here we know that A2 to the power 2 and B2 to the power 1. Where we get it is from the table that we see right here. And for the B, we're finding the reaction order, which we have the third order reactions. When we multiply 2 with 1, that's how we get the third order reaction. And for part C, determine the K and the specific rate constants, including units. So here we have the K equals the rate over A2 to the power 2 multiplied by B2. And where we get this is from the first one that we did. Basically just plug in the values and change the orders here, and we have the K equals to rate over A2 over 2 multiplied by B2. So lastly, we get the 1.0E7, and this is the formula we have to write. And meters to square over moles squared multiplied by S. For second question right here, we have this the C plus the D. I guess that's an E, right? So it's just a letter changed, but it's basically the same thing over here. So here, if we take a look, we're just gonna apply the same formula for question A. So rate equals to K multiplied by C to the power of 0 and D to the power 1. Where we got 0 is from 2x equals to 1, and that's x equals to 0. And 2x equals to 2, x equals to 1. And when you multiply, when you add 0, when you use 1 plus 0, that gives us a 1. So this is the first order reaction. And for part C, basically we're using the same thing as what we said before. So S gives us a 2 plus 1. Okay, cancel on that. So for part 3, we have the F plus G. That gives us H. We're applying the same formula. Rate equals to K multiplied by F to the power 1 multiplied G to the power 1. When you plus 1 plus 1, that gives us 2, the second order, and when you apply the same formula, this gives us 5 liters per mole times the second. So here for the fourth question, we're also applying the same formula, C plus D equals to E, right? So this right away gives us the first question, question A, basically the same thing. Rate equals to K multiplied by C to the power 2 multiplied by D to the power 2. And for B part, which is we're just going to add them the two exponents up, and this gets us the fourth order reaction. And for part C, we're just basically, so we have here, right? We're basically just going to apply the same formula and discuss the 2000 liters to the power 3 over moles to the power 3 multiplied by seconds. And lastly, we have the F plus J, that gets us the H. So basically, we're also applying the same formula here. This gets us the rate equals to K multiplied by F to the power 3 multiplied by J to G to the power 2. So when you add them all together, this gets us the fifth order reaction. Also explain the things over here. So part C, we're just gonna use the same formula again. This gets us basically 125,000. Remember the units is not the same all the time. just kind of figured this out when we do the cancelings. And the L, so basically 125,000 liters to the power 4 over moles to the power 4 supplied by seconds. And that's the end for the reaction order and the rate law expressions. Thank you guys for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. See you next time. Thank you.